Welcome to our video, 7 Blue Foods to Lower Blood Sugar Fast. Did you know that certain blue foods can help lower your blood sugar quickly? We're about to reveal 7 blue foods that can do just that. Before we dive into these amazing blue foods, please do us a quick favor, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell for future notifications so you don't miss any of our latest content. Managing blood sugar levels is essential for preventing complications like heart disease and nerve damage. By incorporating these vibrant blue foods into your diet, you can naturally and effectively lower your blood sugar levels. Now, let's get into the details. It's time to discover the 7 blue foods that can help you lower blood sugar fast. Starting our countdown at number 7 is blueberries. These small but mighty berries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins, making them a powerhouse for managing blood sugar levels. Blueberries have a low glycemic index, GI, and are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Anthocyanins, the natural pigments that give blueberries their vibrant color, help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, which is beneficial for those with diabetes. The high fiber content in blueberries also slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Including a serving of blueberries in your daily diet can help reduce blood sugar levels and provide a sweet, nutritious snack. A typical serving size is about 1 cup, which contains roughly 15 grams of carbohydrates. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or added to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. For a quick and healthy breakfast, top your morning oatmeal with a handful of blueberries. They are also perfect for making a refreshing blueberry smoothie, which can be a delicious way to start your day. In addition to their blood sugar lowering benefits, blueberries support overall health by boosting your immune system, improving heart health, and enhancing brain function. Their versatility and nutritional profile make them an excellent addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. Next up, at number 6 are blackberries. These juicy berries, like their blueberry counterparts, are low on the glycemic index and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for regulating blood sugar levels. The high fiber content in blackberries slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes. Blackberries are also rich in vitamins C and K. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function, aids in the absorption of iron, and promotes healthy skin. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Together, these vitamins contribute to overall health and well-being, making blackberries a nutrient-dense addition to any diet. You can enjoy blackberries fresh, in smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt and oatmeal. Their natural sweetness makes them a delicious and diabetes-friendly option for curbing sugar cravings. For a refreshing snack, try mixing blackberries with a few other berries or incorporating them into a fruit salad. They are also great in baked goods, such as healthy muffins, or added to a chia seed pudding for a nutrient-packed dessert. Blackberries offer more than just blood sugar regulation. They also provide anti-inflammatory benefits and are packed with antioxidants that can protect your cells from damage. Including blackberries in your daily diet can help support overall health while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Coming in at number 5 is purple cabbage. This vibrant vegetable is not only visually appealing, but also packed with nutrients that help manage blood sugar levels. Purple cabbage is high in fiber and low in carbohydrates, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes by slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Purple cabbage is rich in anthocyanins, the same powerful antioxidants found in blueberries, which provide anti-inflammatory and blood sugar lowering effects. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are common issues in diabetes management. Additionally, purple cabbage is a good source of vitamins C and K, further supporting overall health. Purple cabbage can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. You can eat it raw in salads, where its crunch adds a delightful texture. It's also delicious fermented as sauerkraut, which not only enhances its flavor, but also adds beneficial probiotics for gut health. Cooked purple cabbage can be added to stir-fries, soups, and stews, providing a nutritious boost to your meals. To incorporate more purple cabbage into your diet, try adding thinly sliced raw cabbage to your favorite salad or making a vibrant coleslaw with a light vinaigrette. You can also sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a simple side dish or mix it into a vegetable stir-fry for added color and nutrients. Including purple cabbage in your diet not only helps regulate blood sugar levels, but also provides a range of other health benefits, making it a versatile and valuable addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. At number 4 is blue corn. This colorful variety of corn contains anthocyanins, the antioxidants responsible for its distinctive blue hue. Anthocyanins not only provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, but also help lower blood sugar levels. Blue corn has a lower glycemic index compared to yellow corn, making it a better option for managing blood sugar levels in diabetics. Blue corn is also high in fiber, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar by slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps prevent spikes and crashes, promoting more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Blue corn can be found in various products such as blue corn tortillas, chips, and flour. These products can be incorporated into your diet to help manage blood sugar levels while adding a unique flavor and vibrant color to your meals. For instance, you can use blue corn tortillas to make healthy tacos or wraps, or enjoy blue corn chips as a crunchy snack paired with a nutritious dip like guacamole or salsa. In addition to their blood sugar lowering benefits, blue corn products are versatile and can be used in many recipes. Blue cornmeal can be used to make cornbread, pancakes, or as a coating for baked fish or chicken. This not only enhances the nutritional profile of your dishes, but also adds an interesting twist to traditional recipes. Including blue corn in your diet provides a delicious way to enjoy the benefits of anthocyanins and fiber, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and support overall health. Its unique taste and color make it a delightful and nutritious addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Next up, at number 3, is eggplant. This versatile vegetable is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. The high fiber content in eggplant helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes and promoting more stable blood sugar levels. Eggplant is also rich in antioxidants, particularly nasunin, a type of anthocyanin found in its skin. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and improve glucose metabolism, which is essential for diabetics. The anti-inflammatory properties of eggplant can help alleviate some of the chronic inflammation associated with diabetes, thereby supporting overall health. Eggplant can be prepared in a variety of ways, making it a versatile addition to your diet. You can grill it for a smoky flavor, roast it to bring out its natural sweetness, or add it to stews and curries for a hearty, nutritious meal. Its mild flavor and tender texture allow it to absorb the flavors of the ingredients it's cooked with, making it a great addition to many dishes. To incorporate more eggplant into your diet, try making dishes like baba ganoush, a creamy Middle Eastern dip made from roasted eggplant, or ratatouille, a classic French vegetable stew. Grilled eggplant slices can be used in sandwiches or as a base for healthy appetizers. Roasted eggplant can be added to salads, pasta dishes, or even enjoyed on its own as a simple side dish. Including eggplant in your meals not only helps manage blood sugar levels, but also contributes to a balanced and nutritious diet. Its versatility and health benefits make it a valuable addition to any diabetes-friendly meal plan. At number 2 are purple carrots. These vibrant carrots are not only visually stunning, but also packed with nutrients that make them an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. Purple carrots are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, including anthocyanins. The high fiber content helps slow down the digestion process, which prevents rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, ensuring a more gradual and stable release of glucose into the bloodstream. The anthocyanins in purple carrots provide powerful antioxidant benefits that help reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress, both of which are important for individuals managing diabetes. Additionally, these antioxidants can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to utilize glucose effectively. Purple carrots can be enjoyed in various ways, making them a versatile addition to your diet. They can be eaten raw as a crunchy snack, adding a pop of color and a slight sweetness to your salads. Roasting purple carrots enhances their natural sweetness and brings out their rich flavor, making them a delightful side dish. You can also add them to soups, stews, and even smoothies for an extra boost of nutrients and color. To incorporate more purple carrots into your diet, try slicing them into sticks for an easy snack, shredding them into salads for a vibrant twist, or roasting them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs. Their unique color and slightly sweeter taste make them an appealing and healthy choice for diabetics looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. And topping our list at number 1 are acai berries. Known for their high antioxidant content, acai berries are excellent for managing blood sugar levels. These small, dark purple berries are packed with anthocyanins and other antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are important for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Acai berries are also rich in fiber and healthy fats. The fiber content helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This gradual absorption helps maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. The healthy fats in acai berries further aid in stabilizing blood sugar by promoting satiety and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Acai berries are often found in smoothie packs, powders, and supplements, making them easy to incorporate into your diet. You can add acai powder to smoothies for a rich, flavorful boost, or mix it into yogurt or oatmeal for a nutritious and delicious meal. These versatile berries can also be used in acai bowls, which are a popular breakfast option that combines acai puree with fruits, nuts, and seeds for a nutrient-dense start to the day. Incorporating acai berries into your diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide numerous other health benefits. In addition to managing blood sugar, the antioxidants in acai berries support overall health by boosting the immune system, improving heart health, and potentially reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases. To enjoy acai berries, simply blend acai puree with your favorite fruits and a splash of almond milk for a refreshing smoothie, or top your morning oatmeal with a sprinkle of acai powder. Whether you prefer them in smoothie form, mixed into yogurt, or as part of a hearty acai bowl, acai berries are a delicious and effective way to support your health and manage diabetes. And there you have it, the 7 blue foods that can help lower blood sugar fast: blueberries, blackberries, purple cabbage, blue corn, eggplant, purple carrots, and acai berries. These nutrient-rich foods can be a delicious and effective part of your strategy to manage blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Always consult your healthcare specialist to ensure these foods fit your lifestyle and won't interfere with your medication. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Do you have any favorite blue foods or tips for managing blood sugar? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to check out our merchandise for some great finds. And if you found value in this video, please consider sending us a super thanks. Your support helps us create more informative content for you. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.